In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate TurboTax online for the 2024 tax season. This guide is especially useful if you're dealing with investments, savings, or cryptocurrency, which can be a little complex for some users. Let's jump right into it. Begin by visiting the TurboTax online site for 2024. Once there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on 2024 Taxes. This will take you to the main section where you can handle your tax preparation for this year. Next, look for the section labeled Investments and Savings, where you'll find options like 1099-B, 1099-INT, 1099-DIV, 1099-K, and even some options related to cryptocurrency. Click on this section to get started with inputting your investment information. Once you've done that, find the Start button, which is your gateway to inputting all your necessary tax forms. You might see a prompt asking if you have certain forms like the 1099 INT for interest earned. Make sure to acknowledge the forms you have by selecting them appropriately. For those with dividends, hit the section labeled Dividends to input your 1099 DAV information. If you've sold stocks, bonds, or similar assets, you'll need to click on the Sale of Stocks, Bonds, etc. category, which covers forms such as 1099-B, 3921, and 3922. Crypto enthusiasts will appreciate the Crypto Sales, Exchanges, or Currency Use section. Click on this if it's pertinent to your situation. You'll be guided through entering details from your 1099-K and 1099 MISC forms, which are important if you've engaged in crypto activities. There's also a category for other sales such as land or a second home. Make sure to click through if that applies to you. Moving along, the platform will ask about your involvement in cryptocurrency throughout 2024. If you had crypto income or losses, be sure to select Yes. Similarly, you'll be asked multiple times to verify your participation in financial activity.